Welcome back, fam. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a hurricane punch. Usually I put ice as the base of my my punches, but I'm not using no concentrated today. Usually when I use concentrated, with the ice melt, it balances everything out. But today I'm not gonna do that because I'm not using no concentrated lemonade or orange juice. So first off, I'm gonna start with pineapple juice. You can use more, but I know pineapple is very strong in content, so I'll just use this small bottle right here. This recipe also adds for mango passion fruit. My favorite juices. It's very good. It balances all. The pineapple very good. And in the middle of it, I'll use a Bacardi Limon. Has a citrus flavor in it. Be careful, the boy gonna put you to sleep. You won't taste it, but it'll put you to sleep. The Gold Boy, Bacardi Gold. Now this is all set and done, I'm about to add and top it off with some orange juice. And green bean, you need this. You make it pop off. This will make it the hurricane.